Today in this video, we're going to take a look at the best solar string lights. For your decision to ensure you get the best value for your needs, promotion smart technology for smoother visuals and more responsive touch. We'll compare the best solar string lights for smoother visuals and more responsive touch on the market and list their features and prices. Link in description box below. Solar string lights are an eco-friendly and cost-effective way to illuminate your outdoor spaces. Whether you're decorating your garden, patio, or balcony, these lights create a warm, inviting ambience while reducing your energy consumption. Here's what to consider when buying solar string lights. Choose lights with adjustable brightness settings and various light modes, steady, flashing, fading, to match the mood of your event or setting. LED solar lights are energy efficient and provide a bright, clear light. Measure the area you want to decorate. Solar string lights come in various lengths, so make sure to select one that covers the desired space without being too short or too long. Look for lights with long-lasting batteries, usually rechargeable AA or AAA. Ideally, you want the lights to last for at least 8 hours on a full charge. The best lights have solar panels that charge throughout the day to provide sufficient power at night. Ensure the lights are waterproof and weather resistant, especially if you plan to leave them outside year-round. High-quality solar lights can withstand rain, snow, and harsh sunlight. Solar string lights come in a variety of styles, from traditional bulbs to fairy lights, giving you plenty of options to match your outdoor decor. By considering these factors, you can find the perfect solar string lights that are not only beautiful but also practical and energy efficient. Thanks for watching the video.